Yo, CPA Strength here, back again with a powerlifting competition video 2021 series. This is a video of day one of the 12-week competition prep. Day first workout of the competition prep. There's probably going to be like 40 something workouts of the competition prep. I wanted to get this video out. The video you're about to see, the training that you're about to see, I did yesterday, and it is about 8:30 a.m. I got a good night's sleep, and I'm about to go in for training day 2 of the prep, and just day 2 of the prep overall. It's 12 weeks. The prep started on 9/13, September 13th, 2021. The powerlifting competition is December 4th at Iron Compound Gym, which is my home gym, which is freaking awesome. It's in Fort Lauderdale, next to the airport, right off Federal Highway by the airport. State Road 87, Federal, back in the cut. Anyways, so this is basically going to be my training log for the next 3 months. I want to have as much of the main movements footage. I want to have as much footage as I can of my main movements, but also how I'm feeling, my diet, my mental, and everything like that. So I want to keep this short, but this is CPA Strength, and I'm the strongest CPA in Florida. You might ask where I've been, or you're probably gonna ask where have you been, bruh? I've just been the past, I guess, 2 years just working super hard on my business. And I got my real estate license. I'm looking to buy a house here real soon. What else have I been doing? I've been working on my mental health. I've been powerlifting. I did a competition last year, USAPL competition. 2 training, they call me 2 goals now. I'm just fucking around. Anyways, okay, and I'm not gonna edit this out, dude. You're insane. Anyways, share, like, comment, subscribe, and now we're gonna hop over into a little commentary voiceover. Today I got El Benchy and a bunch of accessories, but I'm gonna film the bench. I'm looking at my board of positivity and everything. Look, anyone from anywhere can do anything. Let's go. Yo, Weez here in the CPA Strength editing room doing a voiceover. One take Timothy here because we ain't got time. This is the first day of my powerlifting competition prep training. First day, first workout. It's a 6-week Johnny Candido. I'm starting out with 4 sets of squats at 363 pounds, 165 kilograms. 4 sets of 6 reps on squats. So there's the first set. I think my depth is okay. I could probably go a little lower, possibly. Anyways, this was my first day back. This is set 2. This is my first day back in the gym in I think 2 weeks. 3 weeks ago I went to like LA Fitness and just fucking went brotard, YOLO brotard. So yeah, for whatever reason it looks like on some of the squats my heel comes up, so I want to work on that as well. I did, you'll see after So this is the third set of squats here. Squats are feeling good. I'm sore AF today, like a good sore. I hadn't squatted in probably, 3 weeks. And yeah, feels great. It feels great to be in prep right now, training for a competition. I talked to the owner of my gym, Iron Compound Gym in Fort Lauderdale. Best gym I ever been to. And she gave me the entry form, and I just got to turn it into her. It's easy peasy. All right, so 4th set of squats. Now this is the first day of the Candido 6-week program. I am going to do the 6-week program twice, and my competition's in 12 weeks, December 4th, in Fort Lauderdale at Iron Compound Gym. Now, as well, dang, 6 reps take forever. I think 8 reps is cardio, so this is like close to cardio. So that's a fat powerlifting joke. Now, after I did 4 sets of squats, then I did two sets of deadlifts. And I think my deadlift's atrocious. This is also 363 pounds or 165 kilograms. I did 2 sets of 6. So yeah, I did what did I do? Yeah, I'm sorry, squats and deadlifts on the same day, which is like, this is my 2nd set, different angle, for the ground, you know what I'm saying, for the grounds, when I put it on the grounds. So I did this, then I did two, what did I do, I did some lunges and some seated hamstring curls for 3 sets of 12 for accessories. And anyways, that's a voiceover. Deuces.